Rooms is the official communication tool for Dalton Public Schools, designed to connect families with staff, classrooms, clubs, and sports. To begin, download the Dalton Public Schools app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to stay connected to your child's education. When you open the app, select either the Rooms or Messages button available at the bottom of the screen. When logging in for the first time, you will be asked to either enter your email address or phone number. But remember, they must match the contact information listed in your student's Infinite Campus account in order to gain access. If the number matched the records, you will receive an authentication number via messages. While on the home screen, you can edit your notification preferences by selecting More in the bottom navigation, then clicking the gear in the top right corner. Once in the Settings menu, select Notification Preferences and choose which groups you would like to receive notifications from. To customize your feed, select More in the bottom navigation, then click the gear in the top right corner. Select Schools and Subscriptions in order to activate and be able to see your selected school's posts. You can change your default organization once you've subscribed in order to change what shows up on your feed when you first open the app. Restart the app or manually change the school in order to see the update.